To address brightness adjustment issues on a Lenovo laptop, a step-by-step approach can be taken. Firstly, updating the graphics driver can be a potential solution. This involves installing a driver update tool, such as Driver Easy, and using it to scan for any driver issues. Once the scan is complete, the update option can be used to install the latest driver. Another method is to press the brightness up button while the laptop is booting up. To do this, the laptop should be switched off by pressing the power button for 10 seconds. Then turned back on. As the laptop boots up, the brightness up key should be held down until the process is complete, which may resolve the issue. Alternatively, a simple reboot can also be effective in fixing the problem, as it refreshes the processors and resolves any temporary issues that may be affecting the laptop's functionality. By trying these methods, it is possible to easily resolve brightness adjustment issues on a Lenovo laptop.